Now, the main thing you need to know is the bananas must be ripe before you freeze them. And you know a banana's ripe because it has spots. Our country seems to be obsessed with how things look. And the way people eat bananas shocks me because they are not ripe.
I like them like that.
Oh, I know, they're not ripe, and you can't digest them as well. They're not as good for you when they're like that. So it's not how it looks, folks. It's how it feels inside and how it tastes. Definitely.
These are sweet spots.
So this is an example of a ripe banana. And one thing, and I have to clarify this because I actually once had a student that didn't hear this part, you must peel the banana before you freeze it. If you freeze a frozen banana, folks, you'll never get the peel off.
Okay.
The other thing I recommend is, you can see this is frozen hard.
Yes.
Don't have them touch when they freeze. Put them on wax paper, a plate, because then they will touch. When they will stick together. But by freezing them separately, I have all these frozen bananas that aren't touching. So now all I do, as I plug my machine in, I turn it on, I put the banana in.
That's it, just a frozen banana. Isn't that amazing?
You can use fruit that's already pre-frozen, like mango. Raspberries will be a little tart. I've used melons like honeydew, cantaloupe, watermelon. It's more like a sorbet that way. You just hold the glass for me. Okay. That noise is normal, not to worry. But this is so thick and so rich. It's like the best soft serve ice cream you've ever had. I mean, you could give this practice, I think you could give it to an infant. Because God made this ice cream. One ingredient, banana. Now, before we dress it up even more,
should I try it?
Yeah, I'm gonna make it even more decadent, but I want you to try it in the normal way. Wow. You could eat this for breakfast, isn't it? Now wait, we have this raspberry coulis that we made in the other episode. Let's put a little hit on top. Fruit sundae. I mean, this could be your, isn't it good?
It's great.
It's so good. I mean, they should be serving this in fast food restaurants and schools. Kids will eat this. I have 13 nieces and nephews. I've never heard a complaint. Mango.
Like ice cream.
Mango is so good in this machine.
Wow.
And you can mix your fruits, blueberries,
I can't wait
peaches.
for Leslie from Chef's Inc., who has let us use her kitchen.
And thank you, Leslie.